Zay Beauty, and today we are going to discuss about a really nice shimmer from La Perla. So here is, it's a very cute, you can see bottle, and here is the applicator. So let's try it. So I'm going to just take it off, and then here comes the tip, so I'm going to take this off too. And then we are gonna apply it. Oh, can you see it right here? You see how shiny it has become now? Looks so beautiful. And I'm gonna do a swatch test as people love it. Oh, you can just do it from the nose too. Isn't that beautiful?